Hey, what's up everyone? This is Lefty Crafty and welcome to another DIY video. Spring is coming soon and I know everyone is so excited to go outside and hang out in their backyard. So in today's video, we will be doing a DIY tabletop fire bowl. So stay tuned, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to always get updated on my latest video. Let's get started.
In this DIY, you will need a glass jar, a bowl, pebbles, tabletop torch, fuel torch, and a spray paint. I'm using a matte deep gray spray paint to color this bowl. After applying spray paint, this is how it looks like. Simply put the glass jar on top of the bowl. And at this point, we'll fill the jar with pebbles. The next step is to prepare the tabletop torch and the fuel torch. Place the tabletop torch in the jar and add some more pebbles. It's time to light it up. watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.